Welcome to another lecture of roles of an engineering drawing. Means what is the basic role or what is the importance of engineering drawing I will discuss in this lecture with the good examples and very interesting examples. Topics that I will cover in this lecture: graphics language in engineering drawing process. Second, computer aided drafting and design, CAD. The common software used for CAD, that is AutoCAD of company Autodesk. First part, graphics language in engineering drawing. Engineering design process. What is engineering design? Here there are two core different I have attached in the slide, that is Bertoline and ETAL, that is used. That Bertoline and with his team. Design is the process of conceiving or inventing ideas and communicating those ideas to others in the form that is understood easily. Means it is in the form of any video, in the form of in the drafting media, any type of media that will use in the form that the other person can understand easily. That is the engineering design. Lockhart and his team. Design is the act of creating the specification for a product or a process that best satisfies the design criteria. Whatever the product you are going to design, then that criteria and specification you are creating that satisfy the design criteria. Simplified definition: needs. Whatever your need, your client need, your customer need, you will go to design process and you will get solutions. Write down the basic fundamental approach for giving to any problem the solution. That is the fundamental four parts. First part, write down the problem statement. What is the problem? What is the problem you are facing in the industry, or you are facing any issue? You have to write that down, that problem statement. Generate possible solutions. Then think about different solutions, like this solution is also feasible, this solution is also feasible. Then evaluate each solution against the criteria and select the best one. Means you have to select against the cost, quality, and also the time. They are also one of the important parameter. So you have to evaluate each solution. Then document the final solution. If you face any issue again with the solution that is provided, then you have to again go through this process and get the final solution and document that solution. Roles of graphics: visualization, communication, and documentation. That all will come in this example that I will show here. Let's try to think together. Here, when one person, yesterday I went to Department of Library to buy a textbook. I saw the window panels are very dirty. Okay, I saw the window panels are very dirty. Again, the large picture. That I am talking with my friend. The friend told me, maybe a person responsible to this job is lazy, who is not cleaning the windows. I don't think so. I saw the work. She worked diligently. The person who is assigned to work and clean the library, that is work diligently and honestly. Then the second person is thinking, I asked her, why don't you clean those windows? What did she answer or reply to you? She said it is impossible to clean those windows. So, what do you think? I looked at the windows again, then I understood her answer. My friend asked, what are your findings? Is she right or wrong? Now, this person has seen the windows, this person not. So this person is explaining to this person. So what is the problem? I found it that the windows have two glass panels. The other person, the second person said, I didn't understand. Then what is the meaning? Not impossible to clean. One is fixed at the bottom, at the top, and the other one is fixed to the bottom of the windows frame. The other person said, I didn't understand yet. Again, both panels offset with each other and their free edge overlap about mid of the window's height. The other person again saying, I am not understanding. What are you saying? Sorry, I cannot imagine about the window you have explained. Okay, I will show you a sketch of the windows. Here, visualization and communication. Here is panel A that is fixed at the top, panel B fixed at the bottom, and that is a window frame, and that is overlapping at this point. The friend, sorry, I still do not understand why it is hard to clean window. I will show you the side view of the window. So here is the side view of the window. One panel is fixed at the top, one panel is fixed at the bottom. So it is difficult to take the hand from this panel and clean the outside. The glass panel is thin, so he omits section lines. So that's why when the cutting is done, so this section of the glass that is thin, that is too thin, so that's why there is no section line is shown in this section. But this person understand that is difficult to clean the outer side. I see. The offset distance is small, so she cannot access the opposite side of the window and the overlap zone. That's right. If we do not solve this problem, learning environment in the library will become worse and worse. Now, for providing the solution for the cleaning purpose, you have to first of all write down a broad problem statement. So what is the problem? So we already know the problem is the cleaning from the outside due to the overlapping portion of the glass panels. Then second step is generate possible solutions, individual with teamwork. Hire, that is the multiple solutions, hire a cleaning service company that can clean the outside from the window. Buy a usable device that can clean from the outside. Redesign the window construction, means whatever the design should be redesigned. Change the window to concrete wall, means shift the window to concrete wall to avoid this dirty work on the opposite side of the window. Design a homemade cleaning device, or you can redesign the window in the construction, mean remove the window and install the new window. So there are multiple solutions, and even that can be more. So that is one author solution. There can be more. Evaluate each solution one by one. So is it feasible and economical, feasible and economical? So all solutions you have to evaluate one by one. Criteria, what will be the criteria? Availability of material, cost, simplicity, and aesthetics. Aesthetics means it should be beautiful. Assume you or your team make a decision that design a homemade cleaning device. So fifth solution is the best solution under the listed criteria, that is availability, okay, cost, minimum, simplicity, okay, and aesthetic. We will take care while making the cleaning device homemade. Write down a specific problem statement to design a device that can clean the opposite side of glass panel and overlapping area effectively. Generate possible solutions, modify from an existing solutions like here wipers, paint, cleaning, okay, drill machine, cleaner, so multiple. So from the book, from the research article, you can take from the internet also. So with the multiple thinking, you have to select the idea. Solution A, B. Use a freehand sketch to record the solution. You have to use the freehand sketch to record the solution. So possible solutions, major function of a device, wash and polish the panels, and wipe. Mean if there is a water present, also can wipe. Would you like to combine both functions into a single device that can also polish and wipe, okay, and wash? Yes, single device will be good rather than two devices. Two devices, one for wash and polish, another one for wipe. Single device but has a changeable part, so that is also. Assume you and your team choose this option, one for wash and polish, another for wipe. Any person can choose anyone. Okay, so let's suppose you and your team that selected one for wash and polish, another for wipe. So our solution: to design a wiping device that can wipe the opposite side of a glass panel and overlapping area effectively. In the problem statement, now we will develop a device for wiping. Function of that device should be wipe, and any person can hold that device. What should be an appropriate form of the parts to do the required functions? Means how the, for example, in the previous slide I have shown wipers, paint devices. I have shown different devices. So how to combine these devices? The first part, what will be the material, how the parts will be assembled. If after making the device easy to use, should not rust, not too expensive, not too heavy, can insert between the panels easily. So that will be the our main objectives. Solutions: cost, weight, size, easy of the option. So here, homemade device, you attach a paper, a cleaning paper or cleaning cloth to one side. B option. C option, cleaning device, cleaning paper is on the both side. Glaze is fixed by fastening the screen, by fastening the screw. Okay, so either that can be rubber or cleaning cloth. Freehand sketching is used to represent the rough ideas. Assume you or your team chose the solution C. Okay, on the both sides either rubber or cloth is present. Evaluate the solutions redefined by mathematical analysis, computer simulations, build and test prototype. Means make a device and test either it is okay or not. If these final results are unsatisfactory, the selected solution will be modified. Here the solution is selected, the rubber on the both sides. Now insert into it. Okay, now you can see it is cleaning, but this handle is just definitely will make scratch to this glass panel. So you should have to increase this U shape to upward so that it will not touch to this glass panel. So that is the solution. Okay, here after the finalization of this thickness, how much the height of this handle, this length. Okay, so all the dimensions after the finalization. Okay, this is your final product, homemade device for the cleaning panels. Here is a one more solution. Okay, let's see. That is a magnetic device from both sides. The cloth is present inside for the cleaning purpose. So that is one is also good solution. Document the solution, write a technical report, how the solution is made and what will be the functions. Text, working drawing. In the working drawing, you will make the orthographic projections.